I'm at the Pullman Kuala Lumpur city center right now. I'm going to show you that this hotel stay for 2-night experience. Right over here, I got my hotel booking screwed up by Novotel. Just right beside, I have to walk over here with all my luggages. And then I booked this hotel with a very decent price. I'm going to show you in the screen about the price, about the room for 2 nights charge. So the club lounge is open compared to my last time stay. Actually, all the evening cocktail have to host at the lobby. And now I finally can show you the beautiful club lounge. So let me go to enjoy the evening cocktail and I will show you the room. Good news, I've got upgraded to a deluxe executive room. So I believe it's basically the same, but it will be the similar room size, and then it's in a different special floor. So I'm going to share with you the room tour later, but let me go have my drink first. So this is the drink station for the evening cocktail. They get the 1 label of white wine and 2 labels of red wine. Very interesting. Cabernet Sauvignon Blanc and the Merlot. And then the Chardonnay, Pinot Grigio, and 2 different white and 1 Chardonnay. Lovely. And then what is signature drink? Take a light. Okay, I just skip this. So you get to have tequila, whiskey, gin, whiskey, vodka, and rum. And then this is the shots that you can have. I believe it's a tomato juice and some tuna tart. The salad looks interesting with the butterfly pea. We call it bunga terang. And the smoked salmon, tuna, something. It looks good. And the cut fruits. Let me go the other side first. So, the hot food is here. So there are 3 types of the hot food you can get. Spring roll, udon, and I think it's a meatball with the black pepper sauce. So the spring roll is homemade. So let me go to the other side. Surprisingly, that the lounge is quite quiet. It's not much of the guests. You can also get the Tiger beer, Heineken, Asahi, and Guinness for beer. And then you can make your own cocktail right over here as well. So there are some mixers right over here. Let's go to the front to see what do they have. So salad as well, cracker, toast, cold cut, 3 different types of cheese, and then 1 cake and more cakes right over here. So far looks interesting. Very simple, but it's good enough for me to enjoy the evening right over here. Okay, I'm in my room now, so you can see that this is where I am. I can smell very strong tobacco smell. Someone must be smoked in this room. So this is a bathroom with a bathtub. My nose is getting itchy now. Then this is a shower area, the basin, and then they provide shaving kit, toothbrush, and vanity, sewing kit, shower cap, and all this. And goodness, is someone smoke here? Those idiot! I hate you. Why you have to smoke in a non-smoking floor? And this is my room. The mini bar is filled up with all the beverages, beer and wine, and capsule for the coffee and tea. And then this is the mini bar item. And then, oh my goodness, it's a sliding door. Slide to the side, and you have the hairdryer. The hairdryer looks huge. I think can dry my hair very fast. And the safe here and the bathrobe. So the bedside has 2 USB port and 3 universal power plug, and a very big TV, and that's a mirror, and 2 universal power plug, and then the USB port, then the room's menu. And then 1 universal power plug over here. I'm sorry, it's very dark now. I can't really show you anything of the view, but I can see something cool right over there. And one of the very tall building right over there, but that's not the tallest building in Malaysia. I need to go and check whether I can get the room changed. I have a good sleep. I wish I can sleep longer, but I'm meeting my friend 9 a.m. later, so I wake up 5:30 to slowly shower all these things. Shower, the hot water is instantly comes up, so you don't have to wait at all. Then the hair dryer is perfectly good, can dry my hair very fast. I did not have the bed test, but the bed is a hard bed. Okay, that's enough. It's quite a bouncy bed. Then you have this firm but a little bit cotton types of the pillow, and this is a soft pillow. The check count is a little bit high, but it's still comfortable enough for a good sleep. So now let's go for breakfast. Then I will not show the what they call the afternoon tea, because I'm going to bring my friends to Genting Highland, and I might not show the swimming pool and the gym, but if you need to see how the swimming pool and the gym looks like, you can look for my previous video. Okay, let's go for breakfast. This is a breakfast that you can get from the hotel. At the very beginning, there's a fruit station, watermelon, honeydew, pineapple, the coffee station right over here. Now this come from the pastry first. There are lots of the pastry for you to choose. Two different types of croissant, and then here's lots of bread for you to have enjoy for the breakfast. Also a toast machine for you to toast your bread, and there are some donut. They serve donut in the breakfast, very interesting. And then some muffin, some cakes. Over here there is the bread pudding, the condiment for bread pudding, and then this is a pancake. There are also some juices, orange juice, kiwi juice, mango juice, cold cut, different types of the ham, different types of the cheese, and the condiment for the cheese, salad, and the muesli, the yogurt. The salad for this one I quite like it, and then the Thai mango salad as well. The beetroot, there are the mushroom, some pickle for the salad as well. So this one are what you can get as well. So lots of condiment for the salad. Over here there are five different types of cereal with fresh milk, low fat milk. So over here you can have quite a lot of the choices as you want. So the sitting area is at this quite comfortable, very spacious. You get quite a big distance between each table. There is a egg station, hard boiled egg, soft boiled egg, scrambled egg, and then sunny side up. Also that you can just order some of the specialty of the day. Noodle station, these are the noodle condiment. And now we have to go through the other side, the Arabic food, very new to me. A lot of the pita bread, and this is a pita bread as well. I think another bread, very interesting. And then this is I call it naan, I guess. Let's see. There are some bean. There are some of the things I never seen before. These are fish actually, and then chicken like this. So if those are Arabian friends or the Muslim friend, you can have quite a lot of different types of variety food for you. The hummus, more salads, more greens. Now we have the what they call roti canai station. Some of the people they call it roti prata. Three different types of the curry, and roti bakar, which is a big bread. There are condiments like butter, peanut butter, kaya, and some jam. Now let's move to the next section. There are sushi in the breakfast. I'm not sure why that in KL there's lots of hotel offer sushi for breakfast. And this is Japanese food. There are udon, the condiment for udon, and this is oden. Very interesting to have oden as well. I love oden. And then never seen a hotel offer oden before. This is a Japanese curry, but it looks like a regular curry for me. And this is a white rice. So move on, then we have this the fried noodle, or we call it lo xu fan. There's a curry chicken, looks good. And then there are some sotong sambal, which is a squid sambal. The next one is the rice for the nasi lemak, which is a coconut milk rice with a condiment as well. The food is a lot. So now come here is a western, the big bean, the big potato. It's very hot there, and then the salted vegetable, the chicken sausage. There are some ham. So it's like the food here is like served piping hot, and then some chicken again as well. And this is the hash brown, nuggets, and these are the condiments for the congee, or some of you call it porridge. 9 different types of the condiments, and then that's haven't the end yet. There are some soup, miso soup. So there's tofu and mushroom. This is some of the curry. The putu mayum is a Indian delicacy. It's served with the brown sugar, and then this is the fried vegetable, and then stir fried vegetable, and small bread. The food option here is really a lot. Now we are back to the club lounge for second breakfast. And the very beginning, right over here, you can see there are some of the salad station with 4 different types of the dressing, and some green leaf. Looks very fresh, and yogurt, and some cereal. So 3 different types of cereal, 5 different types of the condiment, and the energy bar, fruit cream milk and low-fat milk. There are pineapple, dragon fruit, papaya, honeydew, apple, muesli, yogurt, cold cut. There is a smoked salmon. 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of cheese with the condiments, and then 2 different types of the cold cut with the ham. And this is a pastry area. The donut here looks nicer, and there are some bread displayed nicely. Some pastry again. The croissant here looks much more nicer. I'm going to take this for sure with the butterfly pea croissant as well. So there's no one right over here yet. It's funny that no one had breakfast. Watermelon and orange juice. And there is a light station as well. You can ask the chef to prepare something special on the day for you. These are the hash brown, and then the baked bean, or this something. This is chicken congee. So there are the condiment for the congee as well. Meatball, and the fried lo shi fan, which is a fried noodle. Is something that I like when I was kids. The chicken curry, the squid sambal, the nasi lemak is green color right over here. It's very different from what below. So there are the condiment for the nasi lemak, egg, cucumber, peanut, and anchovy. And then the next one is of course at the egg station. So you can order some of the a la carte item and also some beverages. This is the avocado toast I ordered from the menu. I just had one bite. It's very refreshing, very tasty. And I'm going to try my croissant later. It's very comfortable to enjoy the breakfast right over here, which is I am the second guest to have my breakfast right over here. Just check out at 5:30 a.m. The breakfast is not open yet, even in the club lounge. So the staff are very nice. They give me a takeaway breakfast. There's including bottles of drinking water, a box of pastry with croissant, and beautifully packed sandwich. So I'm very happy with this nice schedule from the hotel. They are doing their best to make sure I very well taken care. At the first time I got the room, last time I got the hotel, they gave me a very good upgrade when the lounge is not ready. So I decided to come back here, and I still quite satisfied with this stay because overall everything is okay. I love the lounge. Very interestingly, the people in the lounge, everyone are very talkative. They will talk to each other. So I was observed for the past 2 nights. People are like chit-chat a lot, making a lot of friends in the lounge. Is very interesting. I was very tired, so I did not trying my to make any friend with anyone. So in that case, I would still really strongly recommend you to stay in this hotel. I think the price wise is very affordable. I booked that very last minute because the Novotel failed me. Then I just go on my app and then I just tap and book like at 6 o'clock. Then I booked 2 nights here for 800 ringgit for a very last minute deal. I think it's quite acceptable. So with that, I hope you like the video, and I did not show you the swimming pool and the gym, but if you want to see how it looks like, please go to search for my previous video. That is a very detailed pool and gym for you. Okay, bye bye.